Hello everyone, my name is Eric Opon from Boomi Support. In this video, we are going to look at configuring observability in a flow tenant and sending data to our desired OTLP endpoint. This is all based on the instructions which you can find in help.boomi.com in the flow session configuring observability in a tenant. Let's get started. We will need a couple of things in order to set this up in our tenant. We will need the OTLP endpoint and then an API key. And for this session, we are using Honeycomb, so we give it a name for our dataset. So just to show the demo, I've got an account in Honeycomb and I've got my Honeycomb environment here. I just need to grab my API key that I'll use to set this up in my Flow tenant. So you make sure that you are an admin for the tenant that you want to set up. So you go to Settings, Tenant, and then on the Tenant tab on the left, click on Observability. As I say, you need to provide the OTLP endpoint. So I'll go ahead and then put in my endpoint value here, and then I'll put in the header for Honeycomb, which will include my API key for authentication as well. And you can also select the data sensitivity that you want. I'll leave it as a default none, and I will just save the settings. And that's all you need to do for your Flow tenant. So I'll go ahead and run the flow. This is just a simple flow to generate a PDF. I'll just put in the test here and then go to Honeycomb. So I come to Honeycomb, and in Honeycomb, when I look at my home page, I look at my recent traces. You can see the flow that I ran, the user input, and then the PDF was generated for it there. So that's just how you set up your tenant to push data to OTLP endpoint. Thank you.